It's gonna go in the actual algorithm, bro.
I think.
You're gonna throw this in your YouTube channel.
Hey, it's already on. I think we already started. Yep, it's already on. All right, so it's live. Haha, what's up, YouTube? Last video we went over building this moon bag. It's doing rather well, but we're gonna check some charts, see what's going on. Where are we at? 55,700. Not that bad for a fucking Tuesday.
55,000.
Yeah, we're stuck in this channel. There's so many other channels that'll give you the proper charts of it, but we're gonna figure out what we're doing here. There's a couple other charts we need to go over to try to figure out the whole aspect of the cryptocurrency market right now. So I got my man Josh right here.
Let's go. We live, right?
We're gonna
It's on point, right?
Yes.
I like it.
It's on. We're gonna go through a couple coins and see. Just give our opinion. Why not? All right, Josh. What do you think? This is Cardano. This is the hour chart.
So where you at right now? You on the hour?
Yes, on the hour chart.
I feel like the best way to judge the hour is you got to judge it by the 15-minute action, right? So.
Okay.
So let's go in the
15-minute.
Let's go in the 15-minute real quick. Let's see what we see. So for me, first of all, I see a whole bunch of W's on there forming. And see, Cardano, this is my first time doing Cardano, so I don't even, this is all new.
Yeah,
this is
it's
all
curveball.
But I see Cardano moving in different spikes, especially now. Like, it's just, I don't know, bro. I'm kind of bearish on Cardano. It's all these M's.
Yeah, well, I just normally if whatever I'm looking at, if I don't know what it is, I would just try to find some support and resistance lines to see what we're fighting here.
So first of all, so what is Cardano? So Cardano, you think it's gonna? So that's layer 2. That's layer 2 in the Ethereum network, or is it layer 1? So how is Cardano gonna work?
Cardano is its own network. It's a different blockchain that has capabilities of doing their own smart contracts.
And let's judge it by the market.
It's
cap,
not a Ethereum killer, but it would be a Ethereum competitor for sure.
All right, so let's go to Cardano market cap, which is where. So Cardano is sitting right now at a $70 billion market cap, right? So that's where we at, right?
See.
So are we saying, oh shit, no, whoa. I curse.
You can curse. Like, this is just
it's actually on the market cap.
Let's go to coins.
Cardano is 4th on the list right now.
Let's go to coins. Cardano's been a big player for a while. Yes,
Fifth?
it's 5th
Fourth?
on the list at what is that? $68 billion market cap.
68. I got 70 billion on crypto bubbles, which is I feel
Might
like
be a little behind over here.
Right.
They're all different.
But give or take, right? Give or take 100 million.
Yeah.
So let's judge it by market cap. So we got Cardano as 70, that's roughly $70 billion market cap. And we're saying that this is going to be something that's going to do something with smart contracts at an Ethereum level. Like, it's going to help.
Cheaper and faster.
A lot faster. A lot less gas fee, basically. So I feel like Cardano's going to flip like 10x at least. So if we flipped 70,000 times 10, how much is that?
$700 billion.
$700 billion Cardano. So that'll put Cardano
like $10.
It'll flip Ethereum, but then again, I don't think it'll flip Ethereum because Ethereum will benefit from it.
I mean,
in a big way.
Competitors are great. McDonald's benefits from Burger King. You know what I'm saying? So they're going to compete in a very growing world. They're both going to be fine. But flipping, I don't know. Ethereum's king daddy when it comes to blockchain stuff.
Yeah, but it's too expensive.
I know.
It needs to build something. It needs to build layers on top of layers for it to build what Ethereum is.
I think Polkadot has a better shot.
True, but think about 10 years from now, right? I feel like 10 years from now, Ethereum is going to be like, the people are going to be looking at, hey, I wish I would have bought Ethereum at these levels where we're buying it right now.
Yeah, 100% agree with that.
You know, so they're going to be like, because of the new ones that are going to come. So I see Bitcoin as king, and I know you see it as, but I see Ethereum as like just mama bear type of thing. Like it's Ethereum
Yeah,
is the fuck.
it ain't going nowhere.
Is
So
it's
on the
lady.
15 minute, look, I think we're headed in a descending wedge. I don't know the exact name of it, but I know this pattern is bullish, and yeah, I think these altcoins are gonna have a shot soon because look, here's the total crypto market cap, right?
Right.
Total crypto market cap. That's all of them combined. Where we at right now? 2.3 trillion. Let's say by the end of this bull run, we're sitting at 10 trillion. That's ridiculoso, right? That what's our peak? Let me go to the day chart and see what's the highest the whole crypto market has ever been. When Bitcoin was at 64 and everything was popping, 2.5 trillion. So we're 300 billion away, give or take a couple hundred billion, right?
On market cap.
On market cap, and that's total everything. Now Bitcoin dominance, right? Every time Bitcoin dominance starts going up, all coins take a chill pill. This is the hour chart. So let's go to the day chart. See, it's been happening for a while. Come on, internet. Hopefully we're still live.
Is it?
I don't know, but this one's not cooperating.
Solana is moving fast too.
Is it? Let's check on Solana.
Yeah.
We'll come back to Bitcoin dominance. The whole point of that was when Bitcoin dominance goes up, Bitcoin dominates the show. It takes over.
But right now, the altcoins are some altcoins, not all of them. Some of them.
Yes, that
are
money's
actually-
getting redistributed. Like you were telling me earlier, Bitcoin takes a chill pill. All those profits got to go somewhere, right?
Yeah. So according to the crypto bubbles, we're seeing but that's the weekly one. We're seeing all this price movement for.
Let me see if I could get that up here. Hold on a second.
The crypto bubbles.
Yeah.
Yeah, put it on the week. You can see all that's moving, but I don't see Solana taking. What is this? What is the symbol for Solana? Sword, right?
SOL. Shit out of luck.
Sword, shit out of luck.
You ever heard that? Somebody'd say, look at that car. It's SOL. So this is what you were talking about, dude? The crypto bubbles.
Yeah.
Okay. Phantom's doing rather well today. 52% up today. Wow.
That was a good bet.
That's awesome. Phantom's another one that's going to do big things in the next couple of years. But that's a longer term play. I think Shiba Inu is really taking all of the light out of Dogecoin this bull run.
Right.
I think Dogecoin is just going to chill. But I have high hopes for DOT, Helium, AVAX is going to do great. Matic is amazing. That's another competitor for Cardano and Ethereum. XRP would be a wild bet, but I'm really thinking about buying some. Damn, Doge down 13% today. And
look at
SHIB
SHIB
up
52%.
54%.
But that's actually the week though. You could see the.
Is it?
Yeah, that's the entire week.
Still, that's a hurt piece for
But
the
even
week.
even at that though, you could see how the
See
weekly.
today.
Remember, if you start looking at the weekly chart on TradingView, you start getting the perspective of where the money is going. So even if you look at the crypto bubbles for the weekly thing, we're just seeing where the leak from the market is actually going into. So you see that the by market cap, look at Solana popping at the bottom, up 5%. So this is at probably
one of the few that's actually green today. So that's good.
right. BNB also, ADA, basically everything that we're invested in including yourself with DOT at the right corner.
I think DOT is going to explode in the next 1 to 2 weeks, and I'm glad this is live because this is fucking proof. Like DOT is going to pop.
You've been trying to get me to buy DOT for like the last.
For a while. Look, I'm going to show you my personal moon bag, not my trading stuff. My personal moon bag, 40 DOT. I'm not a millionaire DOT owner. I have 40 DOT, $34. I started getting in at like $18.
So you think DOT is gonna be a high performing asset
Boom.
in the? So let's look at DOT.
They're about to launch a parachain with Kasama and make the whole industry a lot easier for decentralized applications. Meaning, you're going to be able to use crypto on your phone on an app and not even know that you're doing it.
Mm-mm. So what we're talking about is we're gonna have a Pinterest app that you'll be able to socialize with different people, and then
And
you
tip
get
different people.
and you get to create the rules because it's kind of like whoa.
Yeah.
I like polka dot, ladies and gentlemen. I might become an investor.
And then,
right?
let's see,
I'm
can
gonna do my due
can you search
diligence.
on here? Right here?
Polka dot?
Can I search anything?
Yes, right on the. So if you
The
go
plus
on
sign?
yeah, you could see.
Okay, let me see Kasama, because Kasama is about to merge with
What's the ticker? I mean, what's
KSM.
The, it's not even ticker as.
I'm new to this Crypto Bubbles website. It is pretty cool though. You know what? Let me look at dot on the chart real quick.
I don't even on like the crypto bubbles. It's kind of like
Seeing what's popping today. It's good to quick
Right.
find out. But real quick, let's cover Solana because Solana is kind of pumping today. Look at all this work. I gotta get a clean chart. Let me get a clean chart. Let me get a clean chart. Here we go. All right. All right. All right, J Volume. What do you think is popping with Solana right now?
So
Bitcoin is just really chilling. It's not moving at all.
nah.
Real quick, Bitcoin
Where's it at? Let's see where.
not
Bitcoin
moving
is.
at all. We're chilling.
I'm gonna try Bitcoin over here just to see. So we're saying that Solana is gonna be
Solana.
So as of right now, that's right, because so I bought into Bitcoin, went down, and then my Solana position actually started pumping dramatically from being down 200%. Right, it was 220, something. It's crazy, right?
Now you're green. And now you're green. See
And
that?
now I'm
That,
green.
ladies and gentlemen, is called
Yes.
diamond hands.
Like I
That's
have
what
it.
that's called.
So we're talking about 30% in the green so that's a 250% swing move in between, markets. So we noticed that Bitcoin was actually going down and Solana was pumping. So we had a position in Solana. So I feel like as of right now, this is the beginning of altcoin season. Like altcoin is
so.
about to start exploding. Yeah,
You don't think Bitcoin's gonna have another run first, or do you think we're gonna have like a mini altcoin season
yes,
where it's
like
like an
a-
extreme pump?
Everything is just
That would be
moving to the
nice.
point where because I feel like that's the vibration that's gonna bring the entire world together to get into like the crypto market. You know what I mean? Because when everybody gets excited and all the bulls get back on track and everything aligns, it hits numbers different. So what's gonna happen? I feel like the way I see it right now is Solana is just pumping. The money that went down just a little bit. We went down from Bitcoin to like what? We hit 50. I think did we hit 58,000 today? I think we did.
No, I think it was 57 something. I think it'll show it
Yeah.
on here.
So anyway, 50. Let's say 57K, and we're down to 55.55 because we know that.
57.8. We hit 57.8 this morning.
That's healthy for the market because
Yeah.
the volatility is gonna be expanded within that wick in the next few fucking. I curse.
It's
I
alright.
curse
We
a
got to
lot.
get that shit out the system now.
it don't
we're
even
we're gonna
matter.
continue drinking our
Yeah,
beers.
every time we curse, we
This
gotta
is
like
podcast form right here.
take a shot. But the volatility is going to be a lot bigger based on volume that's going to start coming in because it's just expanding as a flag.
Well, I mean, we're not even really going down. We're just staying in this pattern right here. But this morning it was 57.8, and we're at 55.7. It's not too bad, give or take 1,000 or two.
Yeah,
That's what's crazy.
but we're part of this. We're learning this as well. With I feel like with a lot of other people too.
Oh yeah.
So do you see an uptrend for Bitcoin itself in the next, let's say, in the next 2-3 weeks?
Yes, most definitely. Like, look, we can check that on a higher time frame. But most definitely in the next few weeks. Here, Bitcoin on the hour. On the 4 hour, right? But while we're looking at this, you said soon more people are going to use it and stuff, do you think they're gonna have to be forced to use it, or do you think it's gonna be like a yes, we're the people and we willingly want to use it?
What?
Cryptocurrency in general.
No, I think it's gonna be more of a. It's the only way for humanity to kind of like connect with each other, type of thing.
But not
You
in
know?
a making money way, not in an
No,
investor
yeah.
way.
We're talking about network. We're talking about and more in a bigger technology scale. Like we need to advance as a, you know, like as a Bitcoin. That's what it is. Bitcoin is a store of asset, a store of value, right? Or it's a
Right.
right. So the way I
Right.
see it is, it's liquid gold. It's something that you could attach basically a memory, an NFC, and create value by doing something with it, right? Such as now they playing video games with them and everything. So the way I see it is,
Yeah, and it's only the beginning.
in the future we're gonna be able, and then you have coins like Dogecoin. Let's not even start talking about that.
We could run over Dogecoin.
Nah,
Real
that's
quick, I want to cover.
That's another
Bitcoin.
video. Yeah, it's another video. Don't talk about Dogecoin right
No,
now, 'cause it gets
today is
interesting.
just everything. It don't matter. Today's the market. What's going down today?
can't talk
Dogecoin
about-
is not doing good today.
If we talk about Dogecoin, but Dogecoin is doing well, bro. Do you think Dogecoin's not? Dogecoin is just recovering
Let's see.
from the Elon Musk did not.
Oh man.
He just
That's how you know he's a Dogecoin bull. The first
Yeah.
thing that he says is Elon Musk.
listen. We live.
Doge bull.
Everything that's
God,
happening,
yeah.
I feel like it's part of it's a system, ladies and gentlemen. It was set up to be, and it's perfect. Bitcoin is designed for it, and I like it. I feel like it's just a new way, right? It's how we start transferring.
Where was?
This thing is gonna, people are gonna start asking, bro, when you see put out this video, what's going on, and then eventually it's gonna turn into a crazy podcast.
Well, let's see. Hopefully, we can get some fucking weirdos just like us that
We have 'em.
think crypto's cool,
There's-
because I think this is pretty cool. I'm gonna draw a couple of lines on here.
Where we at, on
into
Doge?
Dogecoin, yeah. 'Cause
Oh,
I
interesting.
know
Look at
you
that.
are a Dogecoin bull. This guy really does own a lot of Dogecoin, like in real life.
Let's- I like how you do it too, because that's how you organize it. You instantly square the whole thing.
Yeah, I'm trying to find what's what, right? Let's fib this bitch, right?
Nice.
So from the high to the low, we'll bring it all the way down to here. Over here on the left.
What's this, a 1 hourly?
This is the 1 hour from the high to the low, and as you can like clearly see, we stay in these channels.
Right.
And right now we're trying to break out of this channel. Bitcoin just pumped the brakes, so we might actually be able to get out of here eventually.
Yes, with a lot of volume.
Yes, right now we
so-
don't have that.
Essentially, we got to break that. What level is that right there? If you go up where you got the higher volume on the time frame, so it's essentially the third
What,
top.
over here, the fib level or the volume?
No, the third top line, right there. So you count one line up the top,
Right here.
two right there. So we got to break that level, which is what price number is that?
24 cents.
So we got to break.
And
20
we got to break 23 cents first.
Let me see.
If we break out of 22 cents, and it kind of looks like it's happening at the moment.
I'm seeing that as the support, the place that we got to really break.
Yeah.
Right now we're gonna when Dogecoin start pumping as like Solana's pumping right now, the volume is gonna destroy that 24-cent mark. I'm just talking on my bullish scenario, right?
Well, a lot of volume we would have to fight is 24 cents. After 24 cents, we would really get kicking again.
That's what I'm saying. So
Yeah.
So for everybody that's watching, y'all gotta understand that the time to buy is right now, because you're not gonna see Dogecoin under 24 cents much
Ooh.
longer.
Ooh, he did. He said it. He said it.
It's on the books.
He
right?
said it. He just kind of said it here.
That's
Let's
what-
see if we can come up here, right? And then like come down and retest. And then come up.
Go to the upside.
And then come down and retest.
Right.
And then end up at 25 cents like really soon. That would be
Right. That's on there, right?
most ideal.
And I'm thinking from the 25-cent mark, it's just gonna be straight up. And this is according to plans that Bitcoin continue a bullish trend, right? Because right now it's just recovering, and we have not seen the volume spike for Dogecoin. And I want to put this on
We
the
have
books.
not. But hold on. Let's check out Sheep, because I think
Oh, right.
I think what's going on right now is we're getting that little
Right.
altcoin wake up.
Right.
And Doge just has not been invited to the party. Bro.
Yeah, it's just it's just a little puppy on the side. Just yo, are you gonna put him in or like what's gonna happen?
Wow. See, yeah, this is a different chart. We
So what
got
is
like
this?
obvious
This is
support. This SHIB. This SHIB on the 1 hour. we
Oh,
got
this is interesting.
obvious trend.
this is interesting right here. So we're the little negative movement that we're seeing for Dogecoin is only happened because these two are gonna be phenomenal together though. You
I
gotta
don't think so. I
understand.
think one's gonna shine the other one.
That's okay. That's okay. But together they
Yeah, it's okay for
became-
you because you own them both. But you know, for the average person that is a okay,
They gotta
imagine-
buy. They gotta buy right now.
Right, but
Yeah.
imagine a couple years ago when you got into Doge. You didn't get into Doge because it was like
No,
cool.
but
You got into Doge
they gotta
for a
understand
reason.
what's about to come when it comes to movement of the money. You know, we talk about money often. Like this is not the first time we're talking about money, by the way. We
Right,
always
but
talking
right
about,
now, which one do you think has a better shot for
So-
this bull run?
right now for this bull
This
run, I
bull
will
run.
say buy shit. Cheap.
Sheep.
I would say
Shib.
buy because it's gonna be it's the perfect clone of Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is just gonna be granddaddy forever, right? So I feel like market cap wise, they're gonna fight in between those two, and we're gonna see those two puppies in the upside like crazy. So I'm glad you're doing. That's good. That's good.
This is
Instantly,
Shib. This is pretty bullish.
yeah, that's very balanced too. Actually, that's a bull flag right
Wow.
there, but it's like right in the middle for another. Look, you think we're gonna break that downside with all this trend that we just had? Like literally,
Look at that bull flag.
that's,
Look,
that's
we-
clean right there. That's a very
This is Shib. This is that the all-time high? It might be. Let's see the price
look
target
at the
we would get for
price
something
action
like
that came. Look at the volume that came in for this bad boy.
Yeah, that's insane. And this is over. That was one the Elon's tweet.
Yeah,
Everybody is going after Shib now instead of Doge for
Mhm.
Elon's little tweets.
Floki, Funk,
Yeah.
Pope. It looks like a mean sheep though. It's cool. I like it. I like the puppy.
So even though I can't tell you the price because I have no idea what these damn numbers are, all
No,
just
but that's
fractions.
that's perfect right there.
But
actually.
this would
So
be if we were to have a breakout.
it'll be at the top of that candle right there, right?
Yeah, and that
So-
would be 0.00004592,
4,
which is
5,
a lot of zeros.
4592.
But-
Interesting. You should keep that there and see if you actually because on the volume you're right on point with it. There's nothing going. We're going. My theory is that there's something going on with the people up top knowing that this is the new way
It'd be a 44% jump though.
and they buying into it. That's easy. It happened for cheap. It's gonna happen within days probably. I will
So
say.
what do you think about Doge though? If Sheeb is going to have this pump by accident because
No, it's not. It's no accident. Put that on the book.
yeah, no, they're working.
They know what they buying, because. So all right, let's start, bro. This is
Now,
Da Vinci
back to
J15
back to Doge.
and Chris back in 2008 when they
100%.
met.
Have you ever watched those videos? They're not the most entertaining.
No, but that's okay. That's good because now we understand where they and we understand money too as well. So where
Back
you
to
at right
Doge.
now?
Back to Doge.
Back to Doge. So the
On the
breakout.
1 hour.
But let's go for the monthly. On the
Monthly.
Yeah,
On
because we gotta look
Doge?
at the. You think Doge moves on
Let's
a
do-
weekly level, bro? Doge is a
No,
big
Doge
daddy.
moves on a Elon level.
Exactly.
And
There we
what,
go.
That's what
There
I
we
don't
go.
like. That's what I don't like. Because a couple years ago, yeah, we could trade off of that. But now you can't trade off of that because everybody's
No.
buying Sheeb instead.
No. But because they don't, Elon have not fixed
Ooh.
what happened?
Bitcoin is dumping at the moment. Let me see.
Yeah,
Why
we
would I
know
get
it's gonna
the-
test it.
Oh, this doesn't look good. But we're hitting right on my support levels.
Where's Bitcoin? Let me see where we at.
We're experiencing a rounding top as we speak. Rounding top on a 4 hour. That's
That's
not
okay.
a good sign. My stop loss just happened.
Oh man, it gets bloody when it gets bloody, ladies and gentlemen. But when there's
Yeah.
blood in the street,
You buy long term.
you buy long term, baby. That's good. That's okay. That's okay. We good. We got a lot of support.
Hopefully we get support right here
We got a
and we
lot of
continue to go up.
We clean. We good.
And if we continue to go up from here, I'm gonna open another trade.
So first of all, he's not even down like 10%. He's like down It's not even.
No, I stop loss at 4%.
He's playing this well. He knows how to do it. So, because you got the charts right over there, I'm over here flying blind, bro, with 280% down.
Yeah,
And
this
I
guy
need
is
to-
wild, man.
I need to start.
All right, well, no, hold up. Let's explain that because, okay, me as I come from like a traditional investing.
Actually, no. My order finally went through, and I'm only down 150%. So let's just adjust that. My order, I got 4,222 contracts now. So it finally went through. So that's actually perfect. And I got a liquidation price of 50K. I don't think we're gonna touch 50K on this
Hey,
contract.
wait a minute, bro. Real quick, on the hourly for Solana, we just got a green dot on the oscillator.
So what we're
alert.
saying is, are we gonna hit the bullish button right
We
now?
might.
And
Look,
is
we're-
this popping?
We might come down to retest this at 147. That might be a good entry. Let's play this out. Let's see what happens.
I'm gonna
Sol-
do some technical
Solana.
analysis over here for myself.
And this is exactly why I need more charts. I need more screens so I can trade Solana when
Whoa,
it
wait a
when it
second. This is a
happens.
dump seat
For Solana?
for actually Bitcoin itself.
Oh, you think it's more dangerous than what's really going on?
I think so. Bro.
Let's see. Well, again,
I gotta pay attention to
you got to tell the audience that you're a firm believer in the 5-minute chart, so it looks a lot more dramatic on the 5-minute chart. 'Cause
Right, but you see the feature
on the 5-minute,
on the 5 minutes. It's interesting, right? You understand what's about to come out of this entire thing, because now I'm looking at the 5 minutes. What I'm saying is we just trust on Bitcoin US dollar. See, this is Bitstamp. Sorry, Bitstamp been doing some crazy stuff lately.
I'm on Phoenix on the 5-minute.
I'm sorry. I'm on.
What are you looking for?
I'm on. Are you on Phoenix over
Mhm.
there?
I'm gonna change this.
I'm sorry, but that's a few dollar price, but it's still okay. We're good. We're clean. We're clean. There's nothing happening right now. On the chart, we just did exactly what we estimated it will happen. Look right here, and then which is the same thing too. We just
Let me. What are you talking about? The
Your line?
55.
so
Yeah, because you had an order in at 55.5, right?
right. So we just got down.
Ooh,
As long as we stay in within this frame going to the upside,
that's a good point.
I'm thinking so the mark at 55,145, which is essentially 145 p.m.
Let's.
That's
I'm
just-
just gonna do 55555, and I'm gonna put in 2,500 contracts just to see if Josh is right. Let's see.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Risk alert.
So you which
I'm
gonna
aware of the risk. That's cute. This is a new trading account for me on Bybit. There will be a damn link in the description. I'll make sure of that.
yeah
If you want to get on Bybit.
throw it on there.
But let's see if Josh is right. Let's play this out for, I don't know, what time is it? I got some time. Let's just fucking
So I'm calling the bottom, right? I'm calling the bottom.
call in the bottom. Let's see. What are you in already?
We just did now. We just dumped C2 on it. So that's that
Oh, I
dump.
might be able to get a better entry. What are you in at?
I'm in at 145. 55 145.
I might be
You
able
just
to
got a
see
55 145.
where my entry is right here. We're in.
So I got 4,000 contracts now.
I'm in, and as soon as my trade is in, I'm gonna go right here and add a stop loss. I'm a firm believer at only losing 5%. 5% of what is this $250 bet? That's not bad. 5%, I'll lose 30 for 50 bucks. I'll be fine. So let's zoom in. This Josh, I'm hoping you make me money. Let's go. Wait. We're drinking. Cheers to that.
Cheers.
Josh is gonna.
That's a
Josh
king.
called the bottom live.
That's live right
ladies
there.
and
We're gonna be
gentlemen.
good. There's nothing.
We're below my support. I'm kind of worried.
But it is getting bloody. Yeah, it's getting bloody though.
And Josh has his own screen over here, and on his screen he's got a sideways channel, and it is right at the support line. So
Mhm.
we might be okay here.
Let's see. Let's play it out. Let's
Let me
wait it
see.
out. Let's
Yeah,
see.
we're gonna have to wait this.
Remember, we're playing on 5 15-minute charts, so we gotta look at the 4 hour and see where we're supposed to close at the 4 hour for Bitcoin, because we're seeing the altcoins pumping. right?
No, not all of them. Just certain
Well, some
ones.
of them, some of them, some
The
of them.
good ones. The one that's
That-
in the moon
That's
bag,
where we are.
ladies and gentlemen. That's the important part.
Right. So we know what the people know. They moving the money
This is
into directions where we already been investing into these directions.
right.
That's
right.
what's happening.
The whole point is we got there a little first. Not a little first.
I'm gonna
but-
watch this video, bro. This is a cool video.
All right, this is very concerning to me on the 1 hour. We closed past our support and we didn't stick it. We didn't stick it. But this is looking very bearish for a while. The past few
Yeah,
hours,
it's-
as you can see, we have to turn around.
That's inconsistent. It don't go down just like it don't go up the other way that fast like that. You know, that's how you could tell there's just a panic attack happening. Like there's people scared.
It's liquidating some you know what I mean, some people like me that I just got fucking stomped out like 10 minutes ago.
Right, the beginners, bro. But you shouldn't be like that though. You know better than
I'm
that.
risky,
That's
though.
why I'm flying. No, you should. When you risky is when you fly with no stop orders.
Yeah, no, you're crazy. Let's check on Josh's trade here.
Oh what?
Down 2%, bro. Stop
That's
loss
okay.
is set at 5%.
Oh, you only want to lose 5%.
Yeah, but
No,
you know
bro,
what?
Wait, you should have put the money at write the money at where you put it at.
My stop loss?
Yeah.
Stop loss is set at 55,050.
Oh, you're not gonna touch that. You're not gonna touch that.
55,050.
You're not gonna touch that. You're gonna be good here.
You know
Wait,
what? I'm gonna level
unless-
that off and 55,000 even. 55,000 even. I'm gonna put my stop loss.
55,000. See, that is the bottom of the.
That's the bottom of your channel, right?
Yeah.
I should go below it because I don't want to get stomped out here because I know we're gonna go up. So I'm look.
Yeah,
I just
yeah,
put it
It's
down.
bleeding. It's gonna bleed. The next time,
54,000.
if it bleeds out of that pocket, it's gonna bleed all the way to 54.3 on the next right.
54.3.
54.3, and that'll be a dump C event. Squeezing a little bit the 200 to the downside, but then it's just full upside from there.
All right. Stop loss at 54,415.
54.415.
Yep. Where would you put your stop? This is your bet.
Yeah, it just got out. It just got out the channel right now. It's closing on my channel. On
Oh
the
yeah,
5
that
minute.
does not look good.
We might be going low. We're gonna go test that 54.399.
Damn, our first video together and we start 5% down.
But that's that's why I don't put 5%. I'll be like, make sure it's fucking.
Yeah, he doesn't even put a stop loss.
Nah, fuck that. It's just fucking risky events over here. It's just.
This guy's crazy. This guy's nuts.
Let's get it.
But you know what? He's profitable, so I guess that's what matters, right?
We just gotta learn how to play it because there's
Yeah.
bigger scales. Like there's 200% gains, there's 500% gains, there's 1,000% gains. There's
Well, on bigger money, it's harder to get those crazy gains because if you got 10,000 and you go up,
right, true.
I mean, but Solana's breaking out again. Solana's gonna break out, man, and I'm kind of mad.
But imagine if on bigger money you play like that as well, like where they secure 20% profit. So I'm talking about for bigger money, 20% gain is good money. I mean, we talking about where's Crypto on percentage wise? How much he on his leverage account?
like 200% on a $4 million
See,
trade.
so the 200% are possible if you
Crazy,
know how
yeah.
to trade it. But once you master,
If you got the balls to hold it.
fuck. Yeah.
If you got the balls to hold it.
Let's go.
Because if you sell,
I don't sell. I don't
yeah,
sell.
that's true. I'll give you that.
So you know you could leverage 200% of anything. So now you start you start thinking, I gotta master a certain amount of trades. And when you master those trades, if you know you could turn 300% out of $1, you're gonna go do it. You know, most people used to do it in the stock market, but that was back in the 70s because it was the beginning.
I mean, it still works. It's just a lot slower.
Of course, it's like
7%, 8% a year is a
they're
good
still
year.
running out of wires.
That's when Josh met me, guys. When Josh met me, I was like, yeah, Apple and 10% a year.
right.
And he started telling me about this damn Dogecoin. And I was like,
That's crazy.
what'd I say? I said, it doesn't do anything.
It has no purpose.
Yeah.
And even to this day, I feel like a lot of people are confused about the fact that they think it has no purpose.
And I think that's why Sheeb is actually running.
Pumping because they created a perfect clone.
not just that, but they have a swap. They have an exchange.
Right, it's a perfect clone.
Like they're doing good. Look,
Dogecoin was just over. It was just a. All right, the way I see Dogecoin in the algorithm is I see. By the way, guys, like this video. Click
Yes.
if you watching this right now. Is it live? Is it really live?
yeah.
So it should be touching the
Let's see how
algorithm,
long
right?
we've been.
So
Yeah, 34 minutes.
I feel like the way Dogecoin was seen, it was just a puppy on the side that people just didn't, because it started as a trend that it was a joke. But I feel like in the next 10 years, we're gonna be looking in the history books as the greatest joke of all time became the currency of the world. I just want to make sure it goes on there, bro, because
What, Solana? I mean,
oh,
Dogecoin?
whoa, wait, no,
Dogecoin?
fix it. Hashtag.
Is that what you're talking about?
Dogecoin.
Isn't it? Didn't Elon say that? Like that's what he thinks is funny,
Right,
And that's what
right.
scares me. He thinks Dogecoin is a joke, and that's why I wouldn't put all my
Who?
bags.
Who,
into-
Elon?
Yeah, he
Because
doesn't
he's
care.
not gonna go out there and say, look, somebody else created a beautiful transaction, peer-to-peer transaction type of currency, digital currency, with the right amount of money at the same time that the governments around the world are working on fixing the problem. You know, it gets deeper than that. But, we're gonna leave that. We not. That's for the hit the like.
That's for the deeper. That's for Josh's channel, guys.
Yeah,
you go to
yeah.
Josh's channel, get the,
Yeah.
deeper perspective.
Boom, dark mode.
This
No,
is
the
dope,
late
though.
night. The late night. We're gonna make a late night
There
channel.
you go.
We're gonna make a late night
We
channel.
could even do shit like this. It's like crypto talk late night, some shit. We'll smoke and drink. It doesn't have
Right,
to
right, right.
fucking.
Nah, it don't matter.
Yeah.
It's the algorithm.
But check it. This is Doge for the day, right? This is the day chart on Doge. So this is the spike, the bull run, right? 64K Bitcoin. This was it. Where were we at? No way. Hold on. Let me go. It was even further back. Wow. All right, hold on. Let me get this ugly looking stuff out of the way so we can look at Doge. Because I believe in Doge too. I like Doge. I'm a fan of Doge. I just think Shiba Inu.
It's gonna outperform it. I believe
Yes.
it. I believe that.
And I don't like that because they're drawling. How you just come out of nowhere and take this?
But because people got to understand it's the perfect clone of something. Dogecoin moves at a probably a 6 months, 7 months basic when it comes to the bigger jump. So measure.
Oh, you really think so, or do you think this was just Elon, and then no more Elon?
No. So measure that time frame in between there and between there, and let's see the
From
the
here,
time
this
frame
was,
between here and here. Yeah, measure that time frame.
Well, okay. Fun fact: this is when I met Josh. When he had
Right
a
at the
million Doge under
Right.
a penny.
it was a bottom. right
Wow. No, hold on. This is still 6 cents. Hold on.
there. No, that's nothing.
Yeah. We have what's it called? Like receipts of like
Right.
multiple
You gotta go-
millions of Doge. Let me go on the 4 hour because the 1 week was rather far, but.
Right, so you understand what I'm saying though? Those movements in between time frames is because the market got obsessed. A community build on Dogecoin. You know, there's a lot of people holding Dogecoin that are diehard Dogecoin fans. They're not gonna let it go. So,
I mean, I believe that.
so once you start building this, because you understand that you might have something such as digital gold that could be transferable to anybody, you start waiting for the upcut. Most people think we're gonna have a shot at the $1 mark, but I think we're gonna consistently go up from there.
Do you think she would hit a penny?
I gotta do some technical analysis and find out exactly on
It won't happen. It won't happen.
a
I
penny.
can tell you. Yes, a penny. It won't happen.
All right, so this is on the books. I think it's gonna hit a penny for sure. I just don't want to say the time frame. I think it's gonna hit a penny. Achieve itself, and my first reason for is because I know that the dominance for the entire crypto market right now is only about roughly 40%. Let's say 50%.
Dominance of what?
For Bitcoin itself.
Uh-huh.
Right, so Bitcoin is King Daddy, right? So you understand
Yes.
Bitcoin as King Daddy. So we have 40% of that money of everything just being put into Bitcoin. And
Yeah.
And people don't realize yet that gold market cap is $11 trillion, right? So
Yeah.
the reason we made a currency in the whole world in the first place back in the days, it was because we needed something where we could back it. And this is Bitcoin is the new digital asset that we could back it into. If we say $100,000 Bitcoin because this asset, this US dollar is worth this is what we're gonna back it with. Moving on, and there's no exception. The algorithm already started. So
Yeah, it's no stopping it now.
so what I'm saying is that Shiba Inu could potentially have a $5-10 trillion market cap in the next 5-10 years, and it'll just be a piece of a $27 trillion market cap Bitcoin type of thing, or diverse. 50% will be Bitcoin, and it'll be Bitcoin will be worth $10 trillion, and then Ethereum will be worth another $11 trillion. And then because that's where the money is going to digitize to.
Yes,
because
the
of
metaverse is a real thing. We need crypto.
Whoa, we just spiked low. And touch what?
Yeah, we are dipping on a BTC here. I
that-
have extreme longs in at 49. I'm very profitable on those. I do not want those to get
Is it because
stomped
we're
out.
live and then kind of like, cool, we should have been on a short on this one?
I know, right? I should have just fucking opened a short. But now it's too late to open the short. We lost all short momentum. I think we just took a fucking a breather.
Yeah, it just went down.
I
yeah.
think it's time.
But you could tell the buyers are buying it up.
But
You
the
could
trade,
tell.
look, we put in a trade on over here. I think we just got
Ooh,
stopped
that's
out.
Bloody, that's bloody. That's
Yep.
bloody. That's very bloody, ladies and gentlemen.
Mm.
There's bloods in the street right now, live on our
Trade
first,
hit the stop loss.
on our 5%, right? You can't do 5%. You got to be like
Yeah.
either 200% or I won't trade.
So my stop loss was here. We broke the
I
line.
probably got liquidated too, though. Based off
No
that
way.
wick. Wow, 300% down. I went down.
Cheese
Based on that,
and rice.
an easy $100 down from an instant, no stop loss type of thing.
That's, ladies
But-
and gentlemen, that's when you got it like that. When you got money like that.
That's
This guy's nuts.
No, that is crazy. That's insane. But I'm on beta tested right now. He just put me into. He's been trading for the longest, so he's talking about me, but he knows exactly what. So
Look at this volume that came in.
it's some red volume
The
too.
MACD just exploded down. That's
That's where I needed to go though. That's okay.
Yes. All right. Now, for me personally, okay, I'm in long on Phoenix at 49, and I don't want to lose profit.
Is that a Dumpsy event that we just saw?
No, I think this is a breather. That's what I'm asking. If you were in my shoes, would you sell now and take your profits from 49,000? This is where I bought 40. Let me check, cause it's on my phone and I still have not logged into Phoenix. But I'm in at 49,600. That's where I entered. And I'm currently 107% up on my trade.
I'm down 300%. So for me, I judge it on fuck. I should have been up 300%. So at this point, I gotta realign myself and be like, all right, cool. What the fuck? Next time, wait a second. We live? I'm over here cursing
Yeah.
like crazy, but we could curse in this channel. It don't even matter. We good.
Look, I
Where we
haven't
at?
done this yet.
54,000. So we touch already. We
Look,
broke.
this is my long that I'm currently in right now.
And this is a Fibonacci extension.
No, this
Or
is
the
like
trade?
this is my profit and loss for the long that I'm in right now. I entered here and I had a short stop loss. This is for the 1 hour. So yeah, for the past October
This might be a Dumpsy event though.
October 5th. So for the past like 8 days, I've had this
that's-
open.
Go ahead, I'm listening. I'm just trying to get on the chart over here because it's not possible that we've seen Solana pump and we've seen this and this will signify some type of bear trend, right? I don't think that's what's happening.
Well, look at the dominance. The total crypto market. No, not the total. The BTC dominance.
Whoa, everything's dipping hard.
Oh shit.
What's the news? What triggered this? Something triggered it.
This is not loading. I'm just gonna leave this on Bitcoin for a second. What's not loading? You trying to make a trade? I hate when that happens. You try and make a trade, put in a stop loss or something, and just the loading process is not working. Just leave this here for now.
You're live?
Yeah.
We're going down, ladies and gentlemen. The price action is going down fast. The boat is burning. We gotta make sure.
No, don't panic, everyone.
No, don't panic. I'm
Don't
just
panic.
I used to.
This is live, so somebody could be watching. I have no idea. Let's see.
That'll be cool though.
Well, how far do you think we're gonna drop if we do drop?
I think we broke that line that I have. After that, I gotta be honest with you, ladies and gentlemen. I have no other information on what is happening until I find out. Globally, something gotta be happening, right? Some type of catalyst, something. We see it like that, but it might be just China spreading some old news or something.
Could be.
So, because they know they try to retract it. We've been on this uptrend for a while now. So,
Mike, my homie Mike was asking for your number. I'm gonna send it to you now.
oh yeah, for the stuff.
Yeah.
It's getting bought up, ladies and gentlemen. We just touched 53,776.
Is it getting bought up?
It's getting bought up, yeah. So,
Let's
see, that's what we talked about earlier, though. We technically talked about a dump C event all the way down towards the $53,000 level. Or no, you said more like $52,000, right?
I did say more like 52, and that's what I'm worried about because my stop loss is at 52. I don't want to hit 52. I'm hoping that
Can we get a double waterfall?
Are we really at 53,000? Wow, I gotta check on my trade. We could always get a random dump. Like, this is not a dump. You know that. You've been in crypto.
Right.
This is not a dump. Damn, sorry I did that for like the 8th time on this
So
screen.
we could be getting a double waterfall event, right? We already had the first one. This is the second one.
What worries me is the rounding top that's going on the
Right.
15-minute.
We formed that numerous times. So.
On the 1 hour, it's kind of roundy on the top, and I don't like that because that's usually like a really big bearish signal. But on the 4 hour, kind of roundy on the top. We lost some momentum, but we're still in a huge uptrend. So like, really, there's nothing to worry about, and that's why on this channel we will never recommend leverage trading and stuff like that because that'll get you liquidated on shit like this.
Yes. Fast.
Shit like this. If you don't know what you're doing, you get in here and you're like, oh my god, we're sailing to the moon, and then Josh sells his moon bag and we all take a shit because
Right.
he wants to splash in the water.
I'll sell it quick.
See?
I'll be selling my boo.
See what I'm saying? If Josh wants to whale around in the water and sell his Dogecoin, he could form a
Because you
rounding
could
top
trade
like that.
it. We should have been on a short at this position, and we would have leveraged over
You're
all
totally
this.
right. Well, my
So-
indication of short would be right now. What do you think? Should we enter a short?
No,
or
no,
do
no,
you
no.
think we fell too much?
I'm thinking that was it. That was a dump C event, which is technically 2 waterfalls. If anybody's watching this, please comment below. Like, if this really live,
Yes, this
like,
is really live.
comment below and let us know, is this a double waterfall event? Which is essentially you create 2 waterfall to the downside and then you stabilize to the it's a shakeout event for the paper hand people, which is us. Oh, wait a second. We live, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
We are live.
It's definitely live. Like,
That's awesome.
I gotta change all the information and
So
stuff.
we experienced a double waterfall event just now, right?
Right. Well, yeah. I mean, we're experiencing a little bit of a pullback.
No, you hear the double.
Yeah. Sorry about that, but
That's cool. That's cool.
Yeah, we're experiencing a little bit of a pullback, but it's nothing crazy. We're not going too far out of my little rectangle. It's just basic lines of support
It's
and resistance.
so essentially a fake out to the downside for one last time.
It could. We got to get the weakies out. You know what I mean? Get the
Right.
weak hands out, the
And then-
leverage, and then we start really pumping.
Right.
And what do you think about ETH? Because I just went long on ETH at 3,444. So I'm hoping it sticks to that, and we just came down to retest it.
I really haven't touched ETH at all.
I think ETH is going to melt faces. Everybody says it's
Right.
expensive,
Absolutely.
it's drawing.
Absolutely, because it's kind of like it's gonna be the layer that's gonna create the access for everybody else, right? Like if you start looking at it,
Yeah, I think eventually it's going to be cheaper. Eventually. But right now,
because a lot of people are gonna buy it. You know?
they have no choice.
Yeah, they definitely don't. Not at all. So Ethereum is sitting. Let me talk about Ethereum real quick. Let me look at this over here. So I got Ethereum over here sitting it. So sitting at $3,400. So I'm just pulling up the crypto bubbles because I just want to see real quick. I go by market cap. Like I like to just kind of like go through that. So market cap we got already. Ethereum is already at a. Wow, see the beautiful thing I see about Ethereum is that it's up 700% for the year, which to be honest, that's young compared to what it's gonna do in the real estate market, what it's gonna do in the NFC, right?
What, with smart contracts?
With smart contracts, with just building layer on top of layer. So think about how can you build smart technology, right? So the way you build smart technology is you build one layer first, and if that layer don't work, you make it smarter, and then you do a second one. You know what I mean? So what I'm saying is that based on market cap, Ethereum is going to 10x because there's going to be so many other altcoins that are going to be building bridges towards Ethereum to lower the gas fees, right?
So what are you saying, that they might work with Ethereum?
Absolutely.
Or be their own thing?
No. They got to work with Ethereum.
You don't think
Eventually-
they'll beef out and...
You always gonna have the people that's gonna go buy the main thing. What's the oldest Ethereum that you could buy?
Well, there's a lot of things on Ethereum, like NFTs.
No. Think about coins, bro. Think about coins.
Right.
What is the most valuable coin right now that you could buy?
Bitcoin.
No. I'm talking about an actual coin. Like you probably buy. A
Oh,
coin,
like put
Yeah,
in your hand coin?
something that's old, something that's like old. That's what we give an asset to, right? We find a coin that was built back in the days, and then somebody will say, okay, this is worth $1 million. And the reason it's worth $1 million is because it's something that's old. It's an old asset that provides a utility. It provides a job. So think about Ethereum 10 years from now. You know, when you have all these things built, and now somebody's going to buy one Ethereum coin, and they're going to be like, well, I'm willing to pay $20,000 for an Ethereum coin because it's a platform to bigger things so other people could actually scale and build projects on it. You know, so
Right.
Ethereum is the queen of all
I agree.
evils.
And Solana can try, Polkadot can try, Cardano can try, Binance can try, but they're never going to be Ethereum.
Right. When it comes to market cap, they're not gonna beat it because it's the first one. And most people are gonna go. I'm talking about 10 years from now. If this is gonna be on the platform 10 years from now, right? We're gonna think of those people are gonna try to buy something that's 10 years old because
Right.
it's smarter, it builds better. Think of buying Facebook back in 2001. You know, think of buying something in the internet back in the 90s.
Is that what you think Ethereum is right
Absolutely. It's gonna build.
now? Baby stages?
Baby stages.
I agree. I think maybe one day, I know one day Ethereum will be the same price as Bitcoin is right now, 50,000.
Yeah, in market cap, but we won't see it in the top of the because other coins are gonna be outperforming it. Solana's gonna outperform it. It's gonna have a market cap of its own, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna have different coins because that's where money is moving. Essentially, that's what whales are buying right now.
Well, let's
Because
see. Where is this? The total market cap? I
For
mean,
Ethereum,
Ethereum. The
we're talking about $400 billion in Ethereum.
410.
I believe in $1 trillion Ethereum. I believe it.
Well, you know what? I agree.
Yeah.
But okay, what's a $4 trillion Ethereum? Let's
That's
3x.
A 3x Ethereum.
That's possible. 10,000, 12,000. That's possible.
Absolutely. So
Now, do you think that'll happen this year? Not this bull run, because I think the bull run's gonna last a little longer. But this year.
I think for a 3x for Ethereum,
Mm-hmm.
I think we're gonna be on the way within 2 months. So if we estimate, I gotta look at what Plan B is predicted for Bitcoin, and then I gotta start doing some numbers within market cap and find out where Ethereum will be based on the dominance, how the dominance is moving, right? If the dominance is moving at 50%, I gotta always make sure I understand that 50% of that money is still in Bitcoin.
Right
which
now it's 44.7.
Which essentially means half of the money for the entire crypto market is still just sitting on Bitcoin,
Right.
which is not moving.
Okay, so in the immediate future, like in the next couple days, if Bitcoin does pump the brakes and chill around 55, 56,000, which is possible, we can go sideways for a while, right?
I believe it.
Do you think that would be the moment where
Altcoins will
all
pop.
coins wake up a little bit? Because they've all been sleeping.
Yeah, so we're gonna get a week. You're right. We're gonna get a week of crypto bubbles being all green, like soon. Right now, we getting the magical ones, the one that we've been telling people to buy in the. Even if you see, like, look at Luna. Luna was pumping for the last like a month and a half.
Yeah.
So
It's
even
down 17%, but we got
fair.
it a while ago.
It's
like-
fair. It's fair
Yeah.
for it, right? So you're looking at the crypto bubbles. You could see that a lot of the most famous ones, which is the most common, right? They kind of like they're outshining the Shivas, the Phantoms, the one which you're invested in heavy, right? One
Harmony One.
Harmony One.
Harmony One, yeah.
Omni,
Mm-hmm. I like Dot. Dot's
Dot.
gonna kill it. Avalanche is gonna kill it. Uniswap is cool, but I don't think I would buy any right now.
Uniswap.
Yeah, I'm good on Uniswap. Mana is gonna do crazy things in the virtual reality space, which I am a huge fucking nerd when it comes to VR. I really want to be there for all of it. It's gonna be great. I kind of would buy some Pancake right now. What's Pancake? Under $20. That's a gift.
Pancake swap.
Yeah, under $20 before the meme coins start going ape shit at the end of this bull run. That's when you want Pancake Swap. Everything's traded on there. That's where you can buy all the poopy coins you want. Pancake Swap.
I think cake is gonna taste really good in a year.
Yeah, 100% agree with that one.
If you buy cake right now, I feel like
At
because
$20?
It's so essentially it's gonna be a swapping agency. Do you see a bigger future for cake?
Cake? Well, they're an exchange. They swap coins, and a lot of Binance smart chain coins that are more of the, let's say, poop coin genre, they go there. So yeah, they're always going to make money. Those are the sketchy bets. If you want to buy something that's blue chip and top notch, you go to Uniswap. Uniswap has all the blue chip stocks, but that's all Ethereum, and this is what people complain about. The gas fees are crazy. What do you think has a better shot? Ethereum, Uniswap, Ethereum blockchain on Uniswap, you're paying top-notch gas fees. So, for example, real quick, look, I'll show you. I bought Kisha Inu.
Ethereum on Doge. I feel like that'll work better.
We don't know yet. But I bought Kisha Inu on Uniswap. I bought 39 billion tokens, and I paid $178, and I had to pay $200 for the gas fee. And that was on Uniswap. So that's why I believe in Pancake Swap, because you could do the same thing for a fraction of the price. Swap your coins or buy coins for way cheaper on Pancake instead of Uni. Well, I think that's enough for the rant. Bitcoin's currently at 54,000.
That's a good video. How long is that video?
I don't know.
Oh, and then there's not a lot of sound too, so it's clean.
59 minutes. You know what? Yeah, it's an hour.
That's a good hour.
All right, guys. 55,400.
55 5,400. We good. We trading sideways.
See what happens tomorrow. Put some trades in. Right now, I'm not doing much. I should have shorted this. I saw it coming. It's all good. What can you do? Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to come back, keep track on the moon bag we got going on here. See if our plan works.
Catch us tomorrow. At what time?
Catch us tomorrow when we're on. Nothing cement yet, but it will be soon. Thank you. 55. We're coming back a little bit. Let's see.
Okay.
Yep.
That's me.
Let's see what comes out of this. Hopefully, Josh called the bottom here at 53,777. Let's see what happens. Thank you for watching. Until the next time. Peace out.
Deuces.